Are your Android apps feeling boring and static? Let's fix that. In this video, I'll show you how to add beautiful animations in your Android app using Jetpack Compose, from simple fades to smooth Lottie animations. Source code link available in video description. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, comment your favorite animation, and subscribe for more Android tutorials. And if you want the full source code, check the link in the description. See you in the next video.